Hey y'all, this is Iceman from Iceman Pro Detailing. Here goes another boat. We're gonna get done. A pontoon a customer wanted us to get done. We're back at it again at the casa. Uh, we got a little mold and polishing to do to the pontoons and sanding, and we're gonna make it look pretty. First, we're gonna start out with that. Once we get started, we're gonna do a degreaser and a polish and a bleach bath on it. As you can see, it needs a little work, but he wants to get it cleaned up before he start repairing. He got some sheets he gonna send off. So we just gonna get started with the cleaning part. It's a very nice boat. All right, now here we go. This is the degreasing bleach, half bleach, half degreaser, and half water. We're only doing that on the white part so we can make that white pop. Don't y'all be laughing at me because I'm hobbling around. My back hurt a little bit. And while we doing the treatment for the white paint on the boat, you got to remember too, if you're going to use this concept, you have to do only section. Uh, with the sun shining, that bleach will scorch that paint. You want to clean it, not burn it. Now we're going to get on the other side. Most people why don't use pressure washer. Most of the time, pressure washers they cause a lot more damage than most people realize. Pressure washers, yeah, but only I'm old school. I don't just chop them, remove the seat, and we can get on their floor. When you clean a boat, you gotta clean everything: handles, bolts, nuts, cracks, creases, and crevices. Get it all. Cause the first thing you miss is the first thing the customer gonna see. That's why I like to clean the boat like it's mine. And it is mine until I get back to you. Now on the floor, I'm using it basically half and half because that floor had some mildew on it that just need a little bit more strength to it. Yep, my hands and knees. Mama taught me well. Get all on the inside, the cracks, the compartments. We had already unloaded all the boat components like buoys and life vests, everything that was in the compartments. You have to clean those too. Watch out, woman. And that was a long day. Mm, y'all don't be looking at the top of the hood on my truck. It gonna get painted. I like using the brush because this floor had a textured floor, and a lot of time the pressure washer won't get it off. So it needs to be brushed. And if you pressure wash it too much with a high power pressure nozzle or a big pressure washer, you'll mess around and eat it up. Almost done with that floor. See how pretty the difference she look. Clean and dirty on the backside. We messed up a little bit. We got done a little late, and we had to do the best video we could. Look at me, dirty as all get up. You shouldn't even put me in there. All right, thank y'all for enjoying it, and next time we'll get a better shot of the video. The customer's gonna have the seats real posted. This Iceman Pro Detail signing out. Bye.